Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how I make this super delicious and simple cauliflower soup. So for this soup, I use vegetable stock, onions, cauliflower, heavy cream, rosemary, nutmeg, pepper, butter, and garlic. Start with cutting and washing the cauliflower. Then cut the onions and cut the garlic. Sauté the onions and garlic in butter for about 4 to 5 minutes over medium heat. Add cauliflower. Add vegetable stock, and I also added some water, but that is optional depending on how thick you want your soup to be. Cook the cauliflower until soft, then blend it in a blender. Add a little bit of nutmeg and add cream and mix it. And you can leave it just as it is, but at this point I decided to add rosemary, and I cooked it in the soup for about 5 minutes over low to medium fire to add just a subtle hint of rosemary to the soup, but this is totally optional. And there you have it. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for weekly recipe videos. Thanks for watching, guys.